Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the Mario Kart Mario Mini Anti-Gravity RC Racer. If you're familiar with the toy section in Walmart, a lot of the toys have like a try me button on it, and you can press a button to see how something works. And so this transmitter here was kind of accessible, and feeling it like this, it seems like this thing has proportional control and all, because it's just not clicky or anything. It has some resistance to it. It does have auto centering, and so I was misled into thinking that this thing is fully proportional. It is not fully proportional. This thing is all or nothing. Even on a throttle, I was surprised by that. You can't really go slow with this guy. But one thing I can say is this thing is quite unique in that the wheels flip over like this. And so it's called an anti-gravity vehicle because it does this. And when you go on a throttle up, it'll still move forward while the wheels are in this position. And so there's a button on the top of the controller or the transmitter here. This button right here puts it in the normal wheel driving mode. It makes the wheels flip this way, and if you press the other button on this side, it makes the wheels flatten out, lay down like that. And this thing can spin out, it can move sideways and forwards like this. And when you got the wheels this way, it controls like a tank. And so what I mean by control like a tank, if you move to the left here, then this thing will spin to the left that way. Oh, I'm spinning to the right. So it'll spin to the left this way. If you hit the right on this right stick here, it'll spin to the right. If you're moving forward, then it'll if you're moving forward at the same time that you give a direction on here, then it'll look like it's turning regularly, but it'll be drifting though, because this thing has wheels that control like a tank. These wheels do not turn left or right in the front. Pretty interesting take on this RC. It actually is fun. You can like drift around with it. It does work trying to turn it and all. Everything seems to work fine as far as control, and it's not slow. It's kind of fast. You can build up speed. These wheels here are rubber. It does advertise on the box that this thing can do wheelies, but I have not been able to successfully get this thing to do a wheelie. But you can, however, lean it back like that and it'll stay up, and so you can drive around like this. And since it controls like a tank, if you're holding left or right on this right stick, it'll actually turn. And so you can turn like this while you're up in the air on a wheelie and go forward and backwards. But usually it just falls down if you try to go. It'll stay up for a little while you're driving forward, but if you try to go backwards, it's going to land. It's going to go back down off the wheelie. And so I think that part was just a gimmick. I don't know how it's supposed to do some wheelies or anything. I didn't see anything in the instructions on how to do a wheelie or anything. But pretty interesting little RC car. But this thing is not proportional. No proportional steering, not even proportional throttle. But it does have that interesting twist to it. So not bad at all for a kid, I would say. I was thinking maybe you can FPV this thing since it controls like a tank, but it seems like it'll be too much trouble. It has 6 AA batteries in here, and so it comes with some batteries already installed in it though, so you really only have to get batteries for the transmitter here. The transmitter takes 2 AA's, I think it is, and it takes 2 AA's in the transmitter, and you have 6 that go in here, so a total of 8 AA batteries you have to have for this thing. And I guess it's not bad at all for a kid. I can see a kid having a lot of fun with this little guy, and it's Mario. Gotta love Mario. But anyhow, nothing to see here for any serious RC guys, but definitely some fun to be had for some children. It's not bad at all for kids. It's the Mario Kart Mario Mini Anti-Gravity RC car. Thanks for watching.